Welcome to the Datacolor CPQ diagnosis tool. This tool is built for enterprises considering a migration from Salesforce CPQ to Salesforce Agentforce Revenue Management. It helps you do two things: understand the true complexity of your current CPQ environment and identify process simplification and optimization areas while transforming to ARM. So you arrive at ARM with a clean, lean configuration rather than carrying legacy debt forward. The tool has three core components: the CPQ Bundle Analyzer, the Rule Analyzer, and the Data Quality Analyzer. Let's walk through each one. We'll start with the Data Quality Analyzer, which gives you a 360-degree view of your overall CPQ inventory. What's ready to migrate? The tool identifies configurations that are ready to move to ARM as is, including core quote fields, quote line item fields, products, and product rules. Everything that meets the bar for immediate migration is flagged here. What can be removed? The tool also surfaces what should be cleaned up before migration: inactive and legacy products no longer in use, attributes that haven't been referenced in 6 months or more, and orphaned fields that were created but never used. A common example: an environment might have 20 or more date fields, start dates, end dates, expiration dates, created over years of iteration. Today, most of them go untouched. Without a tool like this, an admin has no easy way to verify field usage from the back end. The diagnosis tool analyzes the activity and usage matrix for every field and surfaces that insight automatically. What needs reconfiguration? Finally, the tool identifies configurations that need reconfiguration before migration, typically bundles, product rules, and price rules. This is where the real optimization opportunity lies: transforming and streamlining your setup before building the final migration inventory for ARM. Now, let's dive into the Bundle Analyzer. The Bundle Analyzer gives you a complete list of every product bundle in your CPQ. In this environment, you can see there are 78 bundles. But the list alone isn't what makes this powerful. For each bundle, the tool shows its complexity, defined by the number of hierarchy levels it spans. Some bundles are 1 level deep. Others extend to 5 or 6 levels in highly complex enterprise environments. Salesforce CPQ has no native way to visualize this hierarchical structure. This tool makes it instantly visible. Beyond the hierarchy, the tool also shows every rule associated with building that bundle. In this example, you can see the 4 rules that define this particular product bundle's configuration, all on a single screen, with no need to navigate between objects or run reports manually. This gives admins and operations teams the clarity they need to make informed decisions before migration. Next is the Rule Analyzer. This gives you a complete picture of every rule category in your CPQ. The view is dynamic. It surfaces whatever rule types exist in your org. In this environment, that's primarily product rules and price rules. But if your system also contains approval rules, validation rules, or exception rules, those will appear automatically. In this example, the org has 207 product rules and 199 price rules. Within those, the tool has identified a significant number of duplicates, overlapping rules, and redundant rules. Duplicate rules target the same product with the same condition and the same action. The tool surfaces a description explaining why each pair is flagged as a duplicate, making it straightforward to review and confirm before migration. Overlapping rules share the same rule type, the same condition signature, and the same action, but were written separately over time instead of being merged. This is an extremely common pattern in enterprise CPQ environments. Teams write new rules to handle edge cases without deactivating older ones, because they can't afford the risk or the time to audit what's already there. The Rule Analyzer does that audit for you, identifying all the rules that could be consolidated into a leaner, more maintainable set. Redundant rules are candidates for removal. The tool surfaces them for review so an admin can do a final check before marking them as ready to trash, ensuring nothing critical is discarded without a human sign-off. Once reviewed and confirmed, these dispositions feed directly into the Data Quality Analyzer's migration-ready inventory. The CPQ diagnosis tool is designed to give you and your stakeholders an honest, data-driven picture of your CPQ environment before you commit to an ARM migration. Datacolor can help you run this analysis, interpret the results, assess complexity, develop an accurate migration estimate, and guide you through the full evaluation process, so your decision on ARM is grounded in real insight, not assumptions. To learn more or schedule an analysis of your CPQ environment, reach out to the Datacolor team. We're here to help. Our specialized CPQ to ARM assessment streamlines the entire transformation journey, cutting your team's planning and execution time from weeks down to just days. By leveraging this clear, automated roadmap, your BSAs can bypass the heavy lifting and move straight to delivering high-impact value.